Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Techlife Smartband TLSB01. On this video, we are going to try and test its heart rate monitoring function. So we'll check the heart rate monitor and we'll compare it with our fingertip pulse oximeter. So we have here a device, a fingertip pulse oximeter. So we'll have a simultaneous monitoring of the heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so if you are interested to see the results, if you want to know whether the result is close or not, watch this video. And if you have any questions regarding the fitness tracker, drop a comment below. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the heart rate monitoring function of our Techlife Smartband. Let's check it first. Okay, I'm not going to wear it. Let's tap on the heart rate monitoring. As you can see here, it will not continue checking your heart rate if you're not wearing it properly. So we'll wear it properly and see if we'll have a good results for our heart rate, especially if we compare it with our fingertip pulse oximeter. Okay, again, the heart rate, and it's now checking. While we are checking it, we'll have a simultaneous monitoring of the heart rate with a fingertip pulse oximeter. Let's wait first for the result. We have here 79, and our fingertip pulse oximeter is now checking. We have 78 here. We have 81 and 78, 80, 83 and 81. We have 83 and 81. So plus and minus 2 points. We have 79. And we have an 81 results here. 82 and 81. Still 81 here for our Techlife. 82 and the same. As you can see, we have, I think we do have a continuous monitoring. We have 78 and 80. We have the same now, 78. It is a bit slow, but I think it is just they have the same results here. 78 and 81. We have 82 and 78. It is just slow to update, but I think they have the same results. 76, and as you can see, we have 75 here. Just a minor difference when it comes to the results. We have 80, 81, and as you can see, it is increasing now. 81, 78. We have 82. And let's adjust first the display here. Settings, display, screen time. Okay, so that's the highest, 15. Okay, nothing else. I think they should change it to 30 something. 15 is too short. Going back to the heart rate. We have 78 here. We have 79. 79 is same. 80, and we have 85 here, 82. So just a minor, we have the same now. 82, 81. I think just a minor difference when it comes to the heart rate result. With the result here, I think we can say that the heart rate monitoring function of the Techlife Smartband is good. Okay, it's almost the same also with a fingertip pulse oximeter. Just a bit slow to update but I think it's just the same. 84 and 83, as you can see here, 83, 81, the same now, 81. Okay, so we have a continuous heart rate monitoring here. For our blood oxygen, we have 97. How about here? Let's check. Again, we have the highs and lows of the heart rate monitoring. Let's see with the blood oxygen. We have 97. The same. 99. Still 97 here. 96. And 97. %, 96, 96, and we have here 97, 98. Okay, so just a minor difference when it comes to the blood oxygen as well as the heart rate monitoring. Going back to the heart rate, so we have here the resting heart rate and we have some graph here. It's not that complete, but I think we do have a good sensor for our Techlife Smartband. So that's it for our health monitoring, particularly the heart rate monitoring of the Techlife Smartband. Comparing it with our Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. On our next video, we are going to compare it also with our Xiaomi Smartband 10. If you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below. And if you find the video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.